Step into the Kia 2020 Niro LXS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in radio display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.